guys, I hope you're all doing good. So I'm really sorry I haven't been here today, but your girl is doing some cleaning in the room, and I still haven't got my makeup on, so we need to fix it up, if you know what I mean. And yeah, so I did some shopping like the other day, so I'm just gonna like put it aside. So anyways, we might do some yoga as well because I need to stretch today. Let's go. Okay, so I need to remove tags from my outfits. How's your day, guys? Good. I still need to do my makeup. Look at this. So, just removing some labels, guys. I don't know if I can still talk, but I have the Invisalign still going on, guys. So, I've just been redecorating. You know, I just put a corset on her. Alright, so, what I'll do is I'll finish up this little patch over here, and then what I'm gonna do is, do my makeup. So you guys want to see me do my makeup? Alright. Flashing lights. Look, let me show you guys. I have my new flip-flops. You can see it, hold on. Look. These are my new flip-flops. These ones. I always wear these ones, guys. Let me show you. These fluffy ones, but I needed white ones to go with my outfit today. So, yeah. So your girl has new flip-flops. And wait, maybe I'll just put you guys here. Hold on. Lights. Okay. So, not much has been happening today, guys. I slept very late. That might be the reason why. But one thing I really want to do is, there's a sale going on and I so want to go shopping, but I actually have no time, if you know what I mean. So I normally like to do my makeup before I come and talk to you guys, but sometimes like there's no more time, you know? Like I just wake up and everyone's calling me, I'm all over the place, and I'm like, I barely have time to just eat. And now also every time I eat, like I have to remove this and then brush my teeth and clean this and everything. So I literally, that one time I eat, I'm eating everything, because then when I have to brush my teeth, so I only eat like 3 times a day, which is normal, I guess, but like no snacks in between. This is a thing I'm trying to say. Got some clothes, guys. No. Ooh. I love this song. Okay, guys. Sorry, everywhere's so messy here. Look at these ones. Would this go better? Maybe. Okay, I'll try this tomorrow. I like this, but tomorrow. I feel like wearing dresses now, guys. Come with me. Okay. One of my favorite songs of Doja. I love Doja. Okay. So, okay, I'm sorry, guys. The plan is, once I finish, my nails are looking okay. Okay, guys, we are back in the kitchen. Gonna have some chocolate milk. Breakfast is almost ready, guys. We are just gonna make my drink and we're gonna go down outside and have the breakfast. So good. Salt.